Hi everyone, here is the problem statement group anagrams, and we have given set of strings in the input: cat, dog, tag, got, act, so on. And what we have to do is we have to group the anagrams together. So anagram is like, for example, you have a word cat, right? Cat, and you have another word tag, right? If you rearrange the letters of word cat, right, you can form this TAC, or if you rearrange the letters of TAC, you can form the cat. These are the anagram strings. Now what we have to do is we have to group them together. For example, cat and tag, these we have to group together, and there is another word act, right? We have to group all these three together, right? And now the same, there are a couple of more examples: dog, god, right? If you rearrange the letters of the god, you can form god, right? Now let's see how we can solve this problem. So if you look at these carefully, cat and TAC, right, there is one catch. If you sort these letters, right, for example ACT, and if you sort this ACT, right, so if you can sort these strings and see if both matches, right, then that means that word is a anagram, right? So now let's see how we can solve this, how we can use this to solve this problem. So we have to group them together, right? So what we can do is, first thing is we have to iterate all these strings, right? So for example, first word we picked is cat, right? And we can have some map like structure, right, where like if we, so the key can be like the sorted string, right? For example, cat. So if we sort this is a act, right? And here we can have list of words, so cat, right? Now dog, we if we sort the dog, it will be dgo, right? And that is not processed already, so we can have dgo here, and the original word is dog, right? Now let's come to the tag, tac, right? And if we sort this word, it will be act, right? Now we see that, okay, so it's already present in the hash map, right? So what we can do is we can simply insert this new word into the original word into the list tac, right? Now let's move to dog. If we sort the dog, it will be dgo, right? And we see dgo key is already present, so we can just append this new word into the existing list which we have. Now next word is act, right? If we sort act, so it will be act only, right? And this key, we do the lookup in the hash map. Act is already present, right? So what we do is we simply insert into the hash map. So this is how we can solve this problem. Basically, we'll iterate over each and every word. We will sort this and sort this word, and we see if that sorted word is already in the hash map, right? If it's present, then we will simply insert this new word into the existing list, else we will insert a new key in the hash map, right? So it's pretty easy. Let's see how we can write the code, right? So this is the input string, right, string array, which have all these words which I have noted down here, right? Now let's see how we can group the anagram. So I have copied the same structure, hash map, which is key will be string and value will be list of strings, right? String, key, and value will be list of strings, right? Now what we have to do is we have to simply iterate over the input strings, right? So our original input string, our array is ARR, right? Now what we have to do is we have to sort this string, right? So to sort this, we have to convert this into character array. So let's rename it, let's name it temp array, because now string dot to char array, right? Now we have this. What we'll do is arrays dot sort, right? We'll sort this, and now what we need is we need this string, right? Sorted string. So we can create a new string. let's name it new word, new string, right? And here we can create a word from temp array, right? Now we have this word, right? So what we have to do is we have to check in the hash map. Next step is to check in the hash map if this key is already present, right? So we can just check if words map dot contains key. If this key is already present, key is this new sorted word, right? So what we can do is we can get the existing list and add the new word in it. Get new word dot add this original string, right? So what we're doing is we are getting this list, right, and adding the new word into the existing list which we have. So let's say this word is not in the hash map. What we have to do is we have to create a new list, right? New should be new array list, right? And now we'll be inserting this word into this list, str, right? And now this new list should be inserted in the hash map, right? Words map dot put, right? And the key should be the sorted word and value should be the list which we have created, right? So now we have this list, right? Now at the end what we have to do is we have to just read all the values from the hash map and combine it together, right? So which I've already done here. Let's because this method like the return type is string, right? So we'll be returning this whole list, right? So what I'm doing is words map dot key set, which will give me all the keys of the map, right? And now for each key I'm reading values, and if there is more than one anagram, I'm doing anagram plus values, anagram plus the list of values. So you can remove this check, right? Not needed. Let's now try to run this program. Yeah, so it combined all the letters, all the words, cat, act, tag, and all so on. Okay, and now coming to the complexity, right? So now if you see, so let's assume that length of each word is k, right? And there are n words, okay? So you are sorting this array here, right? And let's say you use the best algorithm like quick sort or merge sort for sorting, right? Then also if you are sorting the keywords, right, then the complexity will be a of log k. And now you have n words in the list, right? This length is n, so complexity will be n into k log k. Okay, thanks for watching.